Adofo me mu akwaba na amasam watrase eba sikapa media so. Senere dedika wo hwe kasa video so odum ye no subscribe no asa video no so ayede amaye. Ensem bi anase enema bi ekoso ewo adefo entintan so ehemfa social any media eno so de na ekoso wasofu sabi dusini bi ebuafu abowura osofu bi asori akache ede na ekoso waso okoje ni suman ya sabi utafra che osofu no ebae ebe boluye ede koye ne nyankomade ede twen akra ede ma onyankopo a emfiri nyame na emom na efiri bosom yenko osofu maame nsusu bae ebe intervene na se wachire se de ekoso no sabi utafra che suma no anase suma ne brafo anase suma ne kwamfo anye ne yie nyesa ne kono yenkoi na yenkohwe video no very interesting video pa na message no say o subscribe and no subscribe o share video no share video no ahanum sikapa media ye wonsem bebre de ma na bre na yenhwe de ekoso yenhwe scene. This is a very good scene I was here yento aso me pato dem play video good we konfo no baby odua ne suman no anas odua ade na ema sabi utafra che nkrofo kwasoro ne ko osofo mame na gina ho aha eno waka no osofo mame ni aha ade na ko adi ena ekoso no yehwe eno waka no azafo eno waka no ano achire no waso no de baaye wonno de ba wona edibe dua ento woni bebi ewo awa asori de nwa na wankasa nenso osofo ba wono yo ba de na no de eden na ya asanto afọ de mum pa yepa wodi yente this is very interesting story was a Ghana for nyina ani ko ho ne yehwe yento aso yento komo no so so watu suma no de kodua ho no watu no enu watu no watu suma no sa watu oduro waso de ko watu oduro de ko tre watu oduro osu watu oduro de ko watu ade fako na sofu mame we asem sabi asem kuma bi sabi utafrate empenika asem bi kawa ana ayela kwatani de fa hobe osofu mame sabi utafrate onye osofu na yere na eno osofu na nkasa mu wahi wasu watu aduro no eko won be dua aduro no e wa sore dan mu ho ena eko enti I was this is about time I was a sabi utafrate omampeni John Dramani Mahama o hwe sanse mu nyina ede ko asofo because me ntese say politicians for na anasa politicians in Ghana do lesson time na omo ko asofo because wɔn nyinaa wɔn nyinaa sɛbi wɔn akɔgyegye nneɛma bi a wɔde hyɛ ɔba so de dan mu a yɛnim hwɛ deɛ kɔsi yi o hwɛ deɛ esie kɔsi sɛ wɔsɔfo a wɔwate asɔre na nyini no obi tumi ba ebetu ne suman efiri wɔwɔ asɔre dan mu. What a disgrace. What a disgrace to Christianity. Mehu Muslim for dan a anaasɛ mosque a yɛasi a obi aba na do sini bi aba betu ne bosom afiri asɔre dan mu. Aside Christianity, what are we inciting? Ɛdeɛ ne yɛka. This is very ensɛm a ɛnkɔ yie. It doesn't hold water. It doesn't hold water. And so what is this? We live in a country say asofofo edi ye yankasa ye integrity asho mo ankasa mo nsem. Really? Yente video na ankasa ye. We nyo osofo na ankasa osofo ba osofo na yire no na ekwa ma na kunu. And then we have videos and evidence for everything. Let's go and listen. O de mumi ente de kosi ya na ankasa. Yanko. Wa was there? Hwɛ de ekɔ. So for my meet if de na ekɔ. Uti osofo ba na sɛ wɔnyɛ kɔfo papa wɔyɛ kɔnfo azan. Na oye kɔnfo azan na kyɛ sɛ ukunu no oye kɔnfo oye sabiota prate wɔyɛ nyamedifo papa ana. Wɔyɛ nyamedifo papa ana. Wo yɛ nyamedifo a Onyankopɔn Kwame Basayedom or the Bible ene twerɛ konko na yɛ adwuma. Wɔnka sɛ kɔ onse Nyankopɔn kura wɔyɛ jealous God. Wonte ase. Wɔse mamu nsum nyame foforo bi enka me ho. Wɔse mamu nsum nyame foforo bi enka me ho. Na wo kunu akɔgye nyame foforo bi aba abɛka ne ho a. What are you saying? What are you talking? Hey, kamete brofan kameka brofo pa akire mami. In the meantime, na me san bonka say won subscribe and subscribe. Won share video no share video. Ahanum se kapa media. And then the kai o hwe kasa video. So odo me no subscribe no share video so ayede. Amai. O de enko. This is a very dramatic scene. I was say Ghana for nyina ayede. Ehwe. Yentie the course one kasa. Yentie. Anyone dey asiso. So for man na ku tie hey so ku ne bo apo hey on the ekoso etiefo na ebusuafo won de ekoso osofo ba o ene sebe konfo na enya ena omoko hwe is it biblical hwe enyame ensamwana osofo ba hey I'm very saddened asamuna tomso na asaye me yeye pa a Christopher mo wo a monkasa mo de mu mientie nsem na nkasa ensem de ebu mu yentie hwe ye huru no radia Jesus wabajini sumayo radia Uti asema akwe kan wasu wo modro ana omode ya sole Enti heri baba ara ham kuntu heri heni na nyina sɛ yɛ duro. Boy wabie ne store provision shop wabie ɛto hɔ. Wakɔ akɔfa akwadaa bi efiri Yendi anaasɛ Sebi Asantemantam akɔ akɔtra no. Sɛ wɔnkɔtra no no wɔhwɛ nyɛma adwuma no nkɔ so. Wɔkɔ asɔle 247. Wɔkɔ asɔle from Monday to Monday. Oni time at the man asɔle for. Na wakɔ akɔsɛ wabie shop nti akwadaa na akwadaa no so onim nyansa na onim dintin na onim sɛ Sebi otafrakyɛ. Ahunye anaasɛ adidie anaasɛ Sebi ahunya ɛnyɛ sɛ Sebi otafrakyɛ ɔbɛtena fa akwadaa mu ɔmo adwene ayɛ adwuma no nti na akwadaa no asi dan na wagya ne wura no hɔ. Obi bɛka sɛ korɔ no ɛnyɛ korɔ no ɛyɛ smartness. Sebi smartness to the extent sɛ ade na wɔ sɛ wokɔ bie shop na wotumi gya shop ne ma akwadaa na akwadaa ɛhwɛ shop ne ma na wokɔ wasɔle na wokɔtɔ sticker na ade kɔtala wo store o shop wɔ. Charlie ɛyɛ asɛm a wɔ sɛ yɛyɛ dɛ ɛyɛ kana na yɛnkɔe obi sɛ John ho aba asɛm na hwan ne John bɛn John Dramani Mahama anaasɛ John Agyekum Kufuor anaasɛ John Atamius. Yɛnkɔ ne nkɔtie wode nyabrɛ ne yɛntie beba ma menyi John deɛ nso so ɔnso wɔ so wɔ prophecy bi wɔ ha. Ɛyɛ asɛm o ɛnyɛ asɛm anka ɛnnie Ghanafoɔ no mu prophecies. Yɛnkɔ ne nkɔtie John ɛpakyɛw bla yɛntie mpakyɛw deɛ wɔma Ghanafoɔ no ɛdeɛ na wɔka wɔsɔfo odi ka wo nsɛm ne yɛnkɔ yɛn mpakyɛw odi mpakyɛw yɛnkɔ yɛn.
I have a letter to give.
Kratar was there.
Yeah, I like the way you want to just shake my hands to give to the.
Yeah.
Let me do this really close. I gave you Dear John over 2 years ago, my boy. John, I've been waiting for Dear John Part 2. John, I asked God, when I say me smile. Now, me smile. This time I say was mommy.
And he says it was ebusuafo na me bon kai so subscribe and subscribe on share video na no share video na highest capa media on subscribe and share we say no John Nyankopon first no ka obusa say John ben no say Nyankopon suma o so won suma say de ene de Nyankopon kasa yɛ asoma no nti wo de munya botre yenya bre ne nya bre ne yentie wo suma na asɛmbe no kan mo de munya botre ne yentie me pa cho wo suma no say
let me close.
John Part 2
very lucky that you are hearing Dear John.
Okay, Dear John Part 2
So let me do Dear John Part 2 and go. Ghana is at the crossroad.
Okay.
The keyboard. Ghana is at the crossroad.
Okay. Then echo.
Do you believe that I see far? Yes. What did you?
Oh, yeah.
Ghana is at the crossroad.
Okay.
We are moving from the political stage to the
where?
National stage.
Okay.
Now, Mr. President, I've done Dear John Part 2 and go to YouTube with all respect. Let your people go and pick that video and watch it. Maybe I know maybe you have watched it, but go and watch it again.
Okay.
You'll be shocked the things that was said and the things happening now. I said there's a man named John that is coming, and that man will surely come.
Who is that?
About 3 years ago. Yeah, it's the Dear John Part 1. Go and watch it. He has done all.
Sorry. Dear man of God, is it John Kuma, John who, John Wick, or John who that? Who be that John? I beg, mention that John. But ain't John Crow. Who is that John? John Fu, John Jollof, or John who? Let's listen to that John.
Not failed. Maybe he struggled to do. I heard even that he was about to change it, but some people told him, no, don't change it. And I asked God. God said that he has an allegiance with Atamius.
Okay.
Who made him the vice Atamius, right? From
okay.
So he had an allegiance with Atamius. This is what the Holy Ghost told me. That is why he chose Jane.
Oh, Jesus.
Because the woman I said wasn't supposed to be there. Before that, other people said the woman is not going to stay for what he has here. But that time now I've given Dear John long time ago.
Oh, John, the
So
rule
that's
about
the only
that.
one that he didn't do in the Dear John. All the thing, the prayer, everything, the youth, everything he's doing it now.
Okay.
So, sir, with all respect, Dear John Part 2, you are a prophet, not just a man of God. President, you are a prophet. The reason why I'm saying that is that you know what God has told you, and God has told me some. You chose your team, reset. Is that true? That word is prophetic. Ghana, hear me?
Oh, wow.
The research the president chose, is very prophetic. When you have a watch, those days we were young, we have a watch and then we can press the 2 buttons and they all reset. Everything will crash and start afresh. Anytime.
Abusia, asemwa odifo ika na se prophet ika eche se omampeni John Dramani Mahama. Wati we sebi tafrache onye nipa keke. Oye man of God. Na se asemwa oka no. Ni reset agenda no de ba na se prophetic words a de ba efiri Nyankopon Kwame Basariedom ankasa ena de ba. From what this man is saying and this man of God is saying nature say Omampeni John Dramani Mahama, he is not just a human being, or a God sent from Nyankopon ankasa. Yentie no na yentie no ni enya bre ni entie no. Na mesa bonka se won subscribe ya no subscribe. Won share video na no share video na. Aha no Esikapa Media. Utibi kire wadwen enso so e wo comment section. Yentie the man of God concerning Omampeni John Dramani.
You have to wipe many things.
Okay, good.
I speak now. Ghana, are you ready to hear the thing I want to say?
Yeah. Yes.
If God spoke to me at the first one and I said and it's coming to pass, don't play with this one. With all respect and humility, I say this. Reset must happen for Ghana to see a new face. Ghana wow. Like Dubai, Singapore, all the Paris and all that.
Oh, Ghana for Muslim. Ghana for Muslim. Ghana for Muslim Onyankopon Kwame Basariedom trade ampo. Ghana for Muslim emano. Yenti different and someone won't add order minti. Oh,
so Jesus. The president is a prophet. When he retires, the man will do 2 things. I've said this thing some years back. He will do preaching, number 1. And number 2, he will go into farming. Write this thing down. This video will be kept for years to come. You will see him preaching, advocating, counseling, and farming. These are the 2 things President Mahama will do. This morning when I was asking God in the washroom bathing, turn on the shower, the Holy Ghost came and said, do you know Mahama is a new president? I said, new president? Wow, he's an old man. He says, Jesus. No. Go and tell Ghana today he's a new president.
Wow.
Let me explain.
Wow.
He said the first 4 years of Mahama is not counted in heaven.
Jesus.
The first 4 years of John Mahama is not counted in heaven. The Bible said,
asemo wokan do wokan na chese Mahama time no ebetimi abam. O se abronye DC eba ebeka se sebiota frate asofu bi ye eka ekose no mo se Mahama nkran se one sister constitution no said the be an time run off no ana se na run obetimi abam. Emma no by or mention Duncan Williams edin like I said asemu a odifo yi anasa osofo nsusu kan we say Mahama ensem wo kan de mo aka so mate me pese me kan nyina so so ayede amana se odi yentie onye ne submission na aso Ghana your constitution no we say odi me de mara de me shere ni mara me ko kasen bia menya asem ye nya bre ni ntie no odi wona wokasa wulu wakosunsum wiase wo hu de eko me pacho yetiu.
Lord, I do a new thing. But what did he say? He said that I'll do what? The old is what? I will forget the old. I'll wipe it off. So in the spirit realm, they are seeing John Mahama as a new man who is starting a new presidency. Hold on. Not or by 4. I speak as a prophet.
Oh yes, he speaks as a prophet. But he himself John Dramani Mahama president of the land at this moment. wababeti sebiota frache ne 4 years dada we ne another 4 years yeah they train no say 2028 ye besa kwa run na akamea se abronye sembia wo kanu ye bepie mu wa ha ode asa wo meka de kwa na makande mempe contempt ode yinti osofo na in the meantime no mo wan sam kan so mintimi nka on subscribe and no subscribe on share video na wa share video no ode yinti do kan
speak as a prophet. For a reset to start, the man is now about to start his 8 years.
Okay.
Into heaven, don't clap. Heaven in the spirit doesn't see him.
Also, will say the man is about to start his 8 years, and ideally, any constitutionally, any Mr. Fracture or Mampini John Dramani and Mahama, he only has 4 years to serve. That is, which is 2028. He has to step down. Yes, I was so stepped down. And then the NDC people has to bring a new candidate for their presidential aspirant. And this man of God, Namini Pei Eka say, I also was serving Ghana for. So what are we insinuating? Brofonenya Monfanchemi. Can we just go back and listen to the man of God? In the meantime, now on subscriber no share video no share video no. Not just say apanya same job beka na kire say I am pass say built fracture. Our person o Mampini John Dramani Mahama eko the next term. Is it going to be best possible? A better possible. Say o Mampini John Dramani Mahama obetimi asan akọ for the 3rd time. This is Ghanaians for you. Let's listen to this man of God. Yanko.
As is 4.
Okay.
Having sees him as Akufo-Addo came to do 448 in the spirit realm.
Okay.
The man has been assigned in the spirit to start.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So to ascertain that I spoke about before elections many long time ago, it's going to be loud from 2026. Everybody will say, John Mama, continue. My name is Prophet Clement. I say it again. I said it before time. And I'm speaking.
I have a video concerning this what man is saying. Abronye by Ebeka say Sebiota Frache Omampeni Wamodi Archbishop Duncan Williams. And I don't have that capacity. Minian wadensa. Papa told me you for the Indians and Monangasa. But me want somewhere a woman more was committee maker. Neso esa seminia waden. Na many to me a medibekantino. Me sem one yada akamimu. But me want somewhere was a come for concerning what this man is saying. And then na me go back to what Abronye said concerning Archbishop Duncan Williams. The same in line with what this man is saying. But here lies the case. Asemuni nyinani se mini chida mi chese Sebiota Fracture mini obi jira machi se asamuba sa asemu a me pese me kan ho eti me de beto ha ya na so mo wansa won kapa o de enko ni entie we min kan we min tie hwe minya pipi ni minya ndisini me come as a Ghanaian and then me come as a citizen of Ghana. And then all Ghanaians has to listen and then listen to me and then what the yanko niente odifo yensa mo wokai yero emu yenti.
The mind of God. The reset is prophetic. I don't know you from anywhere. Nobody has given me one city from anywhere. I don't care about anybody but Jesus. And in the mind of God. The man has 8 years in heaven. Obiya owe near on your politically biased should end.
Me pacho amamuo ni yebu ni heaven ana yebu ni Ghana. Amamuo ni yebu ni heaven ana si wo Ghana. Me pacho omampeni John Dramani Mahama wodi ni presidency ewo heaven ana so wo bu ni presidency wo Ghana. You see, sometimes we need to just think and then just go back. Abonye says something like this. Abonye ka sembi wase agenda omampeni John Dramani Mahama ne term agenda. Ye kwa ne cast your mind back. Say Chief Justice is in suspense. Say Chief Justice ya say no. Judge na juma de efin nsa. Ne nyina no eka sansem we nyina ho. Na me as my incapacity can't really talk much. Emere bechere. Yanko yenti nsemu ne nyina. Odi ye nya bre ni yenti. Me pacho odi nyame di for kasa.
Enter the realms and ask God.
Oh,
when I
Jesus.
began to speak over almost 30 videos about John Mahama, that I see these people began to laugh and insult me, attack me. They said, no,
Jesus.
people come and say, Prophet, your ministry will end, though, to end. Some big men. I said, sir, I know what I saw.
Okay.
I spoke about Trump. I said I saw that they will change the woman, and then they will change Biden and put the woman. Say, how can this thing happen? I spoke about this. No, it won't happen.
That
spoke to me. Everybody doubted it. US people said, oh, it was the woman is coming. Harris is coming. But the Lord said, I will give it to Trump, no matter who comes. Before they chose the woman, I said they will choose the woman and put Biden.
Abusia, we were there call Amanoni na the here Kasa Sebi Tafrache Ghana for and somebody here. We watch and some be a waka abamu and a dear why you are abamu. Now in the meantime, na myself on Kaya Adam is Kapa Media. Odomie. Na wa subscribe no wa say video no so ayede ama etiefo utimi kire wadwen e wo comment section wo ne mum do be ya ebe boa ye ne se wundi atem na be ka wasam nankasa kire wadwen e wo comment section wo no da foforo yebehia osofu yinsem wo wakan emuwa e wapaye pa na ye be ka ho asem so ama etiefo ene amansa nyina so ayede ate medase se wo hwe ye na wutie ye me patcho me number ho 0545313871 utimi frɛ me na enkomo bia owo bia person ni medi bia no so na woni medi medase da foforo be se asia medase